Guys, currently unboxing the Google Nest Mini second generation. It's good to review old products, how they are competing in the current market. So I got this from Flipkart. Yeah, the packaging was good. This is the inbox. Yeah, this you can see the Google Nest Mini second generation, and here is the specs, and here is the image of how they released. Yes, it's a chalk in color, and here it is mentioned, okay, Google, YouTube Music, calendars, like for like the smart accessories connect, and even Netflix is there. Good to see this. So let me unbox this, like how to, okay, here I have to tear, I think. Here built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi also written. Yeah, it's like nice to see the Google products, how they are picking with all the things. It's quite natural and good to see. Like, now the inside looks like this. Here is our Nest Mini. Oh, super. Here is also, there is like, you can paste this in wall like this. Here is the power adapter. Yeah, it's quite decent one, and I like the color, white color. And here is some paperwork related to Google. Let's get started. Be part of your magic home. Yeah, everything. This is pretty much about unboxing. Now let me connect on my mobile phone, and now I will set it out and have a look. Yeah, you can see now say there are so many gestures around this. Like, I will tell about the basic commands. Okay Google, what's the current temperature in Hyderabad?
In Hyderabad right now, it's 30 degrees.
Yeah, you can see, like, basic commands it will accept, and it will be connected with all sorts of home appliances and devices, and all as well as IoT devices. So it is quite amazing to see the new Google products. Thank you guys. Subscribe my YouTube channel for tech updates.